let's see another JavaScript question, that is JavaScript program for multiplication of two numbers. So in this program also we will see these ways, by using asterisk operator, then by using function, then by using arrow function, then by using multiplication assignment operator, and at last we will see by using for loop. So let's start with the first one. Const result is equal to this. So what we are doing here, we are taking two numbers num1 and num2, and we are doing just multiplication by using asterisk. So this is the first way, and let's check the output. We can see the output is 50, because why it's 50, 5 into 10 is 50, so the output should be 50. Now let's go with function. Let's create a function. Let's run the function. Let's pass the value. Let's console this so that we can see the result. Perfect. So we can see that what we are doing here, we have created a function. That function name is multiplication nums. Inside that we are passing two parameters like num1 and num2, and we are returning it the multiplication of both, like num1 into my num2. And here we are calling it, and we are passing the numbers what we have provided here. Okay, so let's see the output. This is the second way actually how we can do multiplication by using functions. So let's see the output. We can see the output as 50. Now let's go with the arrow function. So let's create an arrow function, const multiplication, and let's call it. Okay, so here we can see that I have created an arrow function, and inside it we are passing again two parameters num1 and num2, and we are returning it, and we are calling it here, and we are consoling the output. So we can see that the output should be similar because the parameters are same, like num1 and num2, and if you are multiplying 5 into 10, the output should be 50. So we can see the output as 50. Now let's see another way is by using assignment operator. So let's go with that. Okay, so here we can see that I have created two variables like underscore num1 and underscore num2, and here we are doing multiplication, and we are consoling the output here. So let's see what should be the result. So we can see that if you are multiplying 15 into 25, so definitely the output should be this, and we are getting the output. We can write this in this way also, like num1 is equal to num1 into my num2, and if we are consoling the output this, let's check it out. So definitely we will get the same result. So we can see again we are getting 375. So this is by using multiplication assignment operator. Now let's go with by using loop. So let me create a loop. Let me create a function, and let's call it also multiplication, and let's pass some value. Then let's console also. Okay, perfect. Now let's go inside this function, and let me create a result variable, and inside the result we are putting the result, we are returning the result. Okay, so see what we are doing here. We are having let I is equal to 1, I is less than is equal to b, I plus plus, and here what we are doing, we are doing result is equal to, this is this actually, result is equal to result plus a. So let's take an example of this. We are having 5 and 10. Okay, so I is starting by 1, and I 1 is less than is equal to 5, less than is equal to 10. So this is 2. If it's 2, then it will move inside this loop, and again what it will do, so the output is result is basically we are having 5. Okay, so let's do result. Here result is what we are having in result. Initially we are having 0, so 0 plus what, 0 plus a is basically 5. So let me put it here 5. So in first iteration we are getting result as 5. Now let's do for so I value is initially 1. Now I will increment to 2. So now we are having I as 2. Okay, so let's check again. So I is 2, 2 is less than is equal to 10, this is true, so it will move inside this loop. And in second iteration also what it will do, inside result we are having already as, inside result we are having 5. So 5 we have put it here, and again what we are having a, in a we are having 5. So 5 plus 5, the result in second iteration, the result output is 10. Now let's go with third iteration. Okay, in third iteration, in second iteration we are having resultant as 10. So I have put it here result as 10, and now I value is 3. So what it will do, here we can see in third iteration I is 3. So this is also true, 3 is less than is equal to 10. So this is true, so it will move inside this loop, and what it will do, 5 plus 10 plus 5. So the result is 15. Now let's go with next iteration, and so on. So it will move till what, till 5 is less than is equal to 10, then 6 is less than is equal to 10, then 7, then 8, then 9, then 10. So 10 is less than is equal to 10, that is true. when it will run for 11, so it will terminate and it will return the output. So the output should be definitely 50. So let's check the output. So we can see the output is 50. So this is the by using for loop. So this is the last way actually how we can do multiplication by using for loop. So I hope you understand. Thank you.